Hey guys, I'm Eric, and I just wanted to shoot this short video today to show you a mistake that I was making in my own personal work, and also to reinforce some of the subjects that we went over in last week's video talking about curve brushes. You see, the past couple of weeks I've been working on a Mass Effect fan art piece, Commander Shepard, and I was working on the undersuit, sculpting some of the trim and different like panels on the undersuit, and there's this bit of trim that kind of separates the different material types on the undersuit. And I'm sitting there sculpting it, and I stopped and I was like, wait, what am I doing? We literally just covered this in a video last week, and I'm not even following my own advice. And so I want to show you how it looked before and how we can use curve brushes to make this look a lot better. And you can see, right, like I've got this little area in between the two panels, and you know, from a distance or on a lower res normal map, it might look okay, but for modern stuff, it's just not going to hang, right? Like it's never going to look clean enough. So instead of sitting here and sculpting this like a barbarian, we can do it not only faster, but it's going to look 100 times better. So all we need to do is mask off the area we want to add a curve to. So I'm just going to quickly paint a mask in that region. And then once you paint that mask, you can hit Control W to turn it into its own poly group. So we have two different poly groups on this arm. And from there, we can go to Stroke, Frame Mesh, choose poly groups, and it's going to create a curve along those poly groups that we've created. From there, all we need to do is go to the brush panel and choose the tube curve brush and go ahead and drop it on that curve. Just click on that curve. We can adjust the size and update it. You can see immediately we already have a trim that's looking way cleaner than what I had sculpting. Like it's night and day, right? So we can just spend some time moving that in place, smoothing it. We can inflate it either with our brush or go to the deformation panel and inflate. And not only that, it's way less destructive because we can move this piece of trim around without affecting the arm underneath, and it just works so much better. And in this case, I even like that it's not completely perfect because this is a soft material. You know, it's kind of like a leather or pleather or something like that. You know, it's not rigid. So I like that it has a little bit of an organic element to it. I think it works. Then I can go in and sculpt the folds and stuff like that. So this is like a very quick example of using curve brushes in a day-to-day workflow to speed things up and produce a better result. Not only that, I thought it was funny that we had just made an entire video on this, and then here I am not following my own advice. So, you know, and so just as a quick bonus, here's a IMM strap that I made. This character does have a lot of straps that end in buckles, so I wanted to have an IMM brush that had a buckle loop at the end and then the repeating section so that I could kind of place this around, because the breastplate and some of the leg armor and different areas do have these straps. So instead of recreating it each time for every area, I thought I'd make an IMM brush to speed that up a little bit. That's it, guys. Pretty short, probably my shortest video to date, minus the YouTube shorts that I do occasionally. And I might try to do this more going forward in the future. Like maybe we do a bigger topic and then I try to have some smaller videos to reinforce what we've learned in that bigger video. I'm not sure. You know, I'm experimenting a lot with this channel and seeing what works and what doesn't. But at the end of the day, I want to provide you guys with the highest quality tutorial content that I can make in regards to ZBrush and game art in general. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. And don't stop creating. I'll see you next time. Take care.